Hey friend, let me show you how to create dynamic drop-down list in Google Sheet. Let's see what is static and what is dynamic. Here is static. I have a list like this. But if I have another vegetable, one more, for example, I just say one. Okay, this list not show up. Okay, but in this fruit list, I use the dynamic one. For example, I put kiwi. Okay, kiwi. And then I can choose kiwi from here. This is dynamic properly. Let me show you from the beginning. Okay, let me make cleanups. Okay, first of all, let's create static right here from vegetable. Okay, just select your data here and right click, choose, scroll down, choose drop down list, drop down. And then we don't use here, we select from drop down rank, from rank here and click here, then we scroll to here from E4 to E6 and then okay, and then it come up here. We can choose different color if you prefer. Okay, green one and spinach. Okay, and then our drop down list is come here, but I cannot add one more list here. But let's do here. First of all, let's just select here. We create dynamic one this time. Drop down, drop down from a rank, and then click here. We just select from here. Okay, and just okay first. Let's see. Okay, so we can drop down here. For example, I type kiwi. It not show up yet. So just go to edit our rank right here. Delete here. Delete the last US sign and number 7. Just edit. Okay. So the kiwi is here. For example, yeah, here. And click again. You can change any color you want. Done. Okay. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. See you next time.